Well, she is Asia's sentimental songstress, a multi-awarded performer, an internationally acclaimed Filipino singer, former vice governor, and running again, and sure to win. She is the undisputed jukebox queen, Imelda Papin.
Wow! Good morning! Good morning, Doc Susan. It's nice to be here. Nako, I have a beautiful, or we call it good news to our kababayan.
Nakakatuwa naman, Imelda.
Excited na?
Excited
Pwede na?
kasi gusto ko malaman, bakit Imuregen ang tinanggap mo na i-carry para maging brand ambassador
Alam mo,
ka?
to be honest, one time, nagkaroon po ako ng severe headache. And I was so scared. I was brought to the hospital twice at the Philippine Heart Center. And then, wala namang nakita except that they just gave me a pain reliever, no? And then my doctor advised me na magkaroon ng MRI para magkaroon ako ng peace of mind. Wala rin
Nakita.
findings, walang nakita. Pero continuous po yung aking sakit ng ulo na I could not understand kung saan galing yung sakit ng ulo. And talagang God is so good na dinala sa akin ang Imuregen. At trinay ko po yun. Yung liquid, actually liquid kagad ang aking trinay. Plus of course, the tablet.
Yes.
And you can't believe it. Talagang after not even an hour, alam niyo po na wala po yung sakit ng ulo ko. And I said, what is this? Ano ito? Parang miracle na sa grabe na sakit ng ulo ko. I was so scared kasi, di ba, the late Isabel Granada died because of aneurysm.
Yes.
So, nako, Lord, sabi ko, wag naman. Ibigyan mo po ako ng tamang, paraan.
Tama.
And thank you very much, Imuregen. I tried it, natulungan ako, and gusto kong i-share po ito, una sa pamilya ko. And I did it sa anak ko, si Mafi, who is based now in America because he's studying law. And one time, binunutan siya ng ngipin and then continuous yung bleeding at America na yun. And then she was brought to the emergency at hindi nag-stop yung bleeding.
Okay.
Despite that she was already taking antibiotic. Sabi ko, try the Imuregen liquid that I sent you. Sabi ko gano'n, just try it. Alam niyo po, not even, again, wala pang isang oras so nawala ako. Yung dugo na bleeding stopped.
Wow, amazing.
And she was, sabi niya, what is this, mom? She was so amazed. Sabi niya, this is incredible.
Wow.
So sabi ko, wow, God is good.
Yes.
Siya talagang healer.
Praise the Lord talaga. Totoo. Yeah. Una natin pong pasalamatan ang Panginoon.
I'm so thankful, first to God, dahil nilid niya po ako na mabigyan ako ng Imuregen. Yun ho ang sikreto ng Imelda Papin. Ako mismo ang magpapatunay at ito po ay tulong para sa ating mga kababayan na dapat, whether you are sick or not, yung hindi ho, wala pa pong sakit, i-prevent na po natin. So we have to take it every day. And then, yung may sakit na, kailangan po mas massive ang dosage. Yun ho ang aking na-experience po. Kaya kung nangyari sa akin, natulungan po ako sa health ko, matutulungan din po kayo.
At lalo na po sa mga OFW dahil marami po nakikinig sa atin ng mga kababayan natin sa lahat ng sulok ng mundo.
So, ang Imelda Papin po na inyong inilagay sa tugatog ng tagumpay, narito at sama-sama po tayo. Gusto pa natin na humabang buhay, makatulong, ano po.
At malakas.
At maging malakas araw-araw sa ating mga ginagawa. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Miss Imelda Papin, the ambassador of Imuregen and Forever Healthy Products.